drawing, I get heating it up, and I'm getting the solder back into my seam, and I can tell I'm getting it back into the seam by when I put the heat on it. You see how you can see the top part of the seam there? That's because I draw it all the way back into that back part of that. You always want to be neat with your flux, because wherever you put flux, that solder will stick. It will follow it and it will stick. Like I put drop solder here, you know, just come right off, you know, it's nothing. And these irons really are, they're incredible. You can write your name in it.
So you just waited for it to cool down a little before you went back, is that right?
It's all heat control with soldering. Most guys are too hot or too cold. Yep, this is the long life iron tip. Now some guys will draw it back in the same, I guess, what do you call them, motion?
Yeah, one motion, yeah.
Completely influx the solder in there. Not to mention, it draws all the impurities that might be in there out to the surface of the solder. Which then you can wipe away. Those guys did such a nice job over there on that metal work. There we go. Yeah, I was over there. That's like metal's like my thing. I haven't done less metal working for Dom, but I'm happy. Draw back in, that's awesome. Once again, you gotta watch that. It's the only thing with these that he comes back at you.
Yeah.
Think fast.